You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, so I thought this was interesting because I made a lot of cookies in my time, but I never used the ingredient instant vanilla pudding. That's what we're using, right? Yep, right here. Instant vanilla pudding. So I thought, I wonder if that makes them softer or creamier or whatever. Alright, we got some eggs, butter. Here it is. Star of the show. Vanilla instant, oh, this is French vanilla. Instant pudding. I don't know if that makes a difference. Vanilla, chocolate chips, baking soda, flour, salt, sugar. We got the butter in the bowl. We're going to mix the butter with the sugar, the vanilla pudding, and the other sugar. Okay? Get that all mixed up. There we go. Look at that. That makes it easy to mix. Okay, you can see it's a little clumpy because we don't have a lot of moisture. The next step is the moisture. So we're going to add the eggs. Don't worry about mixing this perfect. Add the eggs. Add the vanilla. Alright, now you can break out the electric mixer. I would have probably broken it out a lot sooner, but it says mixes till creamy. Okay guys, we've combined the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. We're going to add this in a little bit at a time, just like you always do, so you don't spray a lot of flour around the kitchen. Just put a little bit in, and then mix it. As you can see by the fork sticking up, it's a really thick batter. Be careful, okay? So we're going to fold in our chocolate chips in the last step. Scoop from the outside, bring it in the center. Scoop from the outside, bring it in the center. It's going to be a little difficult. Take your time. And then cook this for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, they're all cooled off. Could we have loaded any more chocolate chips into them? Look at that. So gooey. Beautiful. It's loaded. Smells amazing. Let's give it a try. Gooier, softer, creamier, everything. Home run recipe. Pudding, and remember the instant pudding, okay? In your cookies, amazing.